how big the paper whites are getting. They're gonna be in blossom for Christmas. I just got the kitchen all cleaned up, all the stainless steel and countertops and the floors. My cousins are coming up for dinner tonight, so I need to start getting dinner going. Cooking some pinto beans and some Mexican rice. I'm gonna make tacos tonight as well. I'm just gonna blister up a poblano chili. I got some rice going here, some taco meat going here. The rice is nice and toasted. I'm going to add some tomatoes. I have some butter in my pan and I got some onion. I'm going to cook this, add the poblano chili and some garlic, and then the beans, and mash them and make refried beans. The rice is looking good. I'm going to turn the heat down to low and cook it for 20 minutes. Don't peek. Making a sauce for the tacos. I have a cup of mayo, a cup of buttermilk, a ranch dressing mix, a fourth a cup of onions, a jalapeno, handful of cilantro, and 2 large garlic cloves. I'm gonna blitz it in the blender. The sauce is done. It looks delicious and it tastes wonderful. I added the poblano chili and a couple of cloves of garlic to the onions. I'm going to keep cooking these on low just till they get almost cooked away, honestly. Just going to add a little of the beans at a time and them mashed. Added the rest of the beans and the water, and I'm just going to get these mashed, and I have them on medium heat at this point. I'm going to cook them down, stirring frequently. I have this simmering on low, and it's going to take about another half an hour to finish these, but I'll just stir it frequently. The rice is done, the meat's done. Just need to do the tortillas, and I have everything else pretty much prepped over here, so we're in good shape. Oh, I need to shred some cheese. Here's our plates for dinner: ground beef tacos, the refried beans with a little cotija cheese, avocado, sour cream, and look how fluffy the Mexican rice is.